Evening, folks. DC Works here. Thought I'd do a quick video. Think I finally dialed in the SAE wrench drawer, maybe, between Toolbox Billet and Alien Space Saver. I think I got it looking pretty good. We have snap-on midget wrenches, up to 3/4. Snap-on short wrenches, 1/4 inch to 1 inch. A mix of snap-on, channel lock, proto, regular size wrenches, regular length wrenches. We got 1/4 inch through 1.5 inches. And then we got the line wrenches, the ones that are open end on one end and a line wrench on the other, 15/16 down to 5/16. I've always liked those instead of the double. We got some short offset wrenches. We got I think it's 13/16 down to 1/4 inch 12 point, and then I got 3 to 6 point. We got some regular angle wrenches, and that's where I use Alien Space Saver. They work pretty good. You got to fiddle with them. These are Toolbox Billet. Toolbox Billet, if you're watching, there you go. Give me a shout. Anyway, we got angle wrenches, and I got a set of snap-on wrenches that I've never really seen in a lot of videos, but they're pretty cool. 6 point short with an offset on the open end and a 6 point, so kind of cool. Midget. Little midget ratcheting wrenches. On my 6 points, you got a set of, you got a couple snap-ons, but mostly they're professional proto. Set of 6 point. Set of regular ratcheting flex head gear wrench. A set of Blue Point, probably 1/4 inch or 5/16 to 1 inch. Tapper wrenches, a variety of those up to 1.125. And then some more gear wrench, up to 13/16, I believe it is. That is the drawer. Got it dialed in pretty decent. Toolbox Billet, they call themselves. That's billet aluminum. And they're actually pretty cool. They got a few faults. They don't hold big wrenches very well. They kind of quit at about 1 inch. And the smaller wrenches just kind of fall into the deals. But still, they're pretty nice. Billet aluminum. They're not plastic. They are actually really nice. And quite affordable too. So that's a little bit of toolbox organization, along with showing off a few of the wrenches. That, of course, is not all of my SAE wrenches, but we'll talk about that in another night, I think. That would be the rest of my SAE wrenches. There's one set of metric up there, but well, thanks for watching.